program Desi. I am doing my agriculture experience learning program in apiary unit. So today I will demonstrate about supering. So what is supering? Supering means addition of extra frames to the super chamber. So let us see when the supering will be done. So as you can see this, all the frames in the brood chamber are filled with honey and broods. So first of all we have to choose a frame in which honey is mostly filled. Like you can see this one, mostly filled with honey. So in this what we will do, first of all we have to cut the upper portion of the comb, and then we have to attach this into the super chamber. As you can see this, the super frame, and then we will cut that much portion of the comb that is needed, and that we will attach to the super frame. We will cut this comb from all the sides, 4 sides, like this. Like this we have to measure the portion up to which we will cut the comb. After cutting the comb, now we will put that comb into the super frame like this. After that we will use with the comb. We will put this super frame into the super chamber. As you can see, this one is the super chamber, and we will put it like this. So this is all about the supering. Thank you.